Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to use Typeform. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create interactive forms, surveys, and polls that look professional and are easy to share. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is visit typeform.com. Once you're on the homepage, click on the Sign Up button. Typeform offers a free plan that doesn't require a credit card, so it's easy to get started. You can sign up by entering your email and password, agreeing to the terms of service, or simply signing up with your Google account. For this tutorial, I'll sign up using my Google account. After signing up, you'll land on a setup page. Select the type of services you plan to use Typeform for. For example, if you're using it for personal use, choose that option. Next, indicate your main activity with Typeform, such as conducting research or collecting feedback. You're now ready to get started. Once you're in, Typeform will present a template gallery. You can explore these templates or close the gallery to access your workspace. The workspace is where all your forms, surveys, and projects will be managed. On the top left, you'll find options to connect with apps in the integration menu and access help. On the right, there's a private workspace section. Let's start by creating a new workspace for organizing our projects. For example, you can create one called Test to keep all your academic surveys in one place. Inside your workspace, click Create Typeform. Here, you can choose to start from scratch or import questions or create by using AI. For this tutorial, I'll create a form of multiple choice questions using AI. First, name your form. For example, I'll name mine Test. On the welcome screen, you can edit the text to set the tone for your survey. Next, let's edit the questions. The template may include placeholder questions that you can replace. For the first question, I'll make it a multiple choice question asking, "What is your favorite sport?" To add a new question, click the plus icon with Add Content button on the top and choose the type of question you need, such as multiple choice, short answer, or a scaling question. For example, I can add a question like, "Do you play sports?" as another multiple choice question. Once you've added all your questions, you can customize the design of your form. Click on the Design section to choose a theme. You can select colors, fonts, and layouts that match your brand or style. Typeform offers free and premium templates, so pick one that suits your needs. This step makes your form look polished and professional. After designing, you can explore the Logic section. Logic allows you to create conditional paths based on how respondents answer your questions. This feature is helpful for creating dynamic surveys or conducting in-depth research. For example, if someone answers no to a question, you can skip them to a specific part of the survey. Next is the Connect section. Typeform integrates with many third-party apps such as Slack, Google Analytics, and HubSpot. You can connect your Typeform to these apps to automate workflows or collect data more efficiently. When your form is ready, it's time to share it. Click Publish to finalize your Typeform. You'll receive a link that you can share with others. In the Share section, you have additional options. You can embed the form into a web page, display it as a pop-up, or even share it via email. Choose the method that works best for your audience. Finally, let's look at the Results section. This is where you can see responses to your survey. The Insights tab provides a summary of data, such as the devices respondents used and the most active times. For more detailed analytics, you may need to upgrade to a premium plan. Speaking of plans, Typeform's free version is great for basic use, but it has limitations. For example, you can only collect up to 10 responses per month. If you need more, you can upgrade to an individual paid plan starting at $25 per month for 100 responses and unlimited questions. The Plus plan in the Team section, at $50 per month, supports up to 1,000 responses and allows branding removal. For businesses, the $83 plan includes 10,000 responses and advanced features like conversion tracking. and there are more plans that you can choose from according to your needs. Typeform is a versatile tool, whether you're a student, researcher, or business owner. It helps elevate your forms, making them interactive and engaging. I recommend trying the free version first and upgrading if needed. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful. See you in the next one.